Hakamat jong myntri bedipet ikatanat pynroi sor ubak snya bahalang dahar wanra kasing samla maulai pelun ye gijing bagi pat pa nong song shnong ga maulai kia kendo na gijing sma bami na kajaka the niut ha marten bat katedem habat hangi ki niut ki bawan the na keling ki jaka ka sor Shillong bat kumju ki jaklia ki bami ni ki hospital ki bakta kwat ka kia ki nong song shnong ka ni kathan kumju ru kasing samla maulai pelun kapen pau ye gijing sngo kia ye gijing wan the niut ki briu ki bani ki we ki district Habai kren bekilat pathai kubor ubas nyaw bahalang dhar uong ba unsabu sngi ban let jurip lang yakani kejaka the nyut hamarten kabadon hamaulai mauyong.
Something and along with their members, they made me. Is they used to make me from time to time about the small time in my life, and they request me number one to find the new landfill at the earliest, if possible, from the government side. So in regard to that, I already give them the reply. I told them yes, now the government is under process of identifying the new landfill. And yes, there was around 4, 5, 6 applications submitted, what the advertisement right from the previous minister, and we are full swing on that job for the identification of the new landfill. That is number one, I informed them. And number two, they want to come along with me for the joint inspection with the officer. That is something they want to discuss in the presence of myself and my officer. They want to request some of the, it seems that is some part of the new machineries are there, not up to the mark as per they informed me. So in the letter with this, I already informed them, I already promised them also. Maybe next week, sometime within 15 days, I'll go for inspection. I'll inform them. That is the allegation they want me. Not identified by us. During the previous time with the previous minister, they have already advertised. And there are few applicants we received around, I didn't remember properly, around 6 places. And 2-3 places they are already joint inspection with the pollution, forest, and representative from DC also and my officer. And we are yet to get the report from them, which is the suitable land for the new landfill. Does not mean we have to put every district as per need of the people, wherever available, wherever possible, we'll do accordingly. Now the top priority is Marten and second Joy. And we'll see the other district if there is a demand, we'll see as per the situation. The name is not me, it's already 5, 6 are there. So it's even the report, so maybe in 1 month or 1.5 months I'll be getting the report. There is a report they told me, so it's temporary arrangement, so I told them no, even for Joe I think so we will try to discuss nicely tomorrow in the meeting. We will try to avoid all this dumping from the other places in the Marten area. It's good that you asked this question. Whenever we are yet to find us, we will take everybody on board. Means the local people, the Rauba Ashno, maybe if there is any 2-3 villages there, I will take into confidence. If they are not agree, we will go for the new side. Why I should hurt somebody? I am here for my people. I don't want to hurt my own people. But it's my duty as the minister to see, since the demand is very high for new landfill. Tomorrow I'll be having a meeting for a new landfill plan at 2 o'clock in DC office. Only after that I'll give you the information.
Oh. So far we don't have any report, be it from the medical institutions or any report from the society or any NGOs that there are health issues regarding this biomedical waste and also from the solid waste management. What I can tell you is on 2014 survey was done. They have found out that around 9 lakh people in India died because of air pollution. That air pollution, they give an example of Delhi. That air pollution in Delhi is because of the waste management plant. The smoke which comes from the waste management plant. And the people who are dying in Delhi are the downtrodden and the poor people who are dying because they cannot afford to buy an air purifier. So this is the case which we fear, that it will threaten the people of Meghalaya, and that the poor and the downtrodden people of the Meghalaya who cannot afford to buy air purifier at the residence, at the places, offices, at their place of work, will die because of this air pollution caused both from the biomedical waste and also from the solid waste management.
What was did the minister give any?
And also the biomedical waste which is adjacent to Meghalaya Marten at Meghalaya. The main problem we face from the solid waste management is regarding the last week news, as you have seen that the garbage truck of a municipal board belonging to Jawai municipal board had to come to East Khasi Hill district and dump their garbage at Meghalaya Marten, which is a very unpleasant event, which causes frustration to the people of Meghalaya and also many unanswered questions which are left. This is because of the mismanagement of the government. On the other hand, regarding the biomedical waste treatment facility, which is adjacent to the solid waste management at Meghalaya, regarding this, we have made a field inspection last week on the 30th of June 2021, and we have seen so many failures of this waste management plan, and also that on 2019 the National Green Tribunal NGT has imposed a fine to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, an amount of 860,000 rupees, because the Pollution Control Board of the state has failed to fulfill even a single criteria at that point of time. Now, even after the NGT has imposed a hefty amount to the State Pollution Control Board, still that plant is operating and functioning, and without any improvement, and still failing at all aspects of the criteria which is laid down by the Biomedical Waste Act 2016. So, biomedical waste treatment plant at Meghalaya is a very threatening place there for our residents, because the way that the waste is being treated there is not according to the Biomedical Waste Act 2016, and the smoke which occurs, which comes from the biomedical waste treatment plant is 10 times more dangerous than the smoke which comes from the factory and even from the marten. So this is a very saddening state of affair, and especially a great threat to the people of Meghalaya. And after discussing and had a meeting with the Honorable Minister, he had promised us to come for inspection to the site at Meghalaya for both the biomedical waste plant and the solid waste management plant at Meghalaya. And we hope with his inspection, he will see with his own eyes what are the failures that the State Pollution Control Board and the Shillong Municipal Board are doing. And this has imposed a great threat to the people of Meghalaya. And we hope that on the day of his inspection, he will give the solution, and we hope that this solution will bring a happy smile, happy faces to the people of Meghalaya. See, all of this occurs because of one thing. It's only because of mismanagement of the government. We see time and again, like the reports given by different surveyors, given by central government reports, that the government is underperforming in almost every aspect, from education, health, human development index. Everything is failing as in and underperforming. So we request the government to kindly look at this matter carefully, so that it won't fail again and again. We have we have been imposed a fine by the NGT, and many times NGT has come to our state to impose a fine, not for a good cause but always for a bad cause. So this is, it's for us as citizens of the state, it's quite embarrassing. It's a disgrace event for us. So we request the government to kindly take this matter seriously, so that it won't pressurize the people of Meghalaya to come out and start agitating and to start protesting against the government regarding this marten and biomedical waste management plant at Meghalaya. What we have discussed with the Honorable Minister regarding this matter also, he said that if we look into this matter, already he called for a site inspection at Meghalaya Marten. And yes, there are other organizations or other municipal boards who come to Meghalaya Marten to dump their garbage. Recently on Sunday, we have a video clip that I think one truck which belongs to the army, I think from Rangman, Pynroi, Tiboi district. They came all the way from Pynroi to Meghalaya Marten to dump their garbage. Another truck is from Nepal, Nepal, UCC area. They also came all the way from that place to dump their garbage at Meghalaya Marten, which is, we fear that this Marten is already saturated and overloaded. We fear that the people of Meghalaya won't have their own place to dump their garbage. Now, if the people of Meghalaya don't have their own place to dump their garbage, where will they go? Do you think people from other localities or other districts, they will allow people of Meghalaya to throw their garbage at their area? No, right? Now, we request the government to discuss with district administrations, block development offices, concerned departments, to start looking out for places and start initiating the new waste management plan that every block, each and every block in the state should have their own waste management plan for both solid waste management and biomedical waste management. As you have seen that there was a protest from the people of Jowai, Jai Hills district, that due to unorganized and mismanagement of dumping their garbage there at the Jowai Municipal Board, the people there, they don't permit the Jowai Municipal Board to dump their garbage there, and they had to come all the way to Meghalaya to dump their garbage.
So will this dumping of